good, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today, as you can tell, we're at the gas station. We're finna roll out. Finna do a little bit of Mississippi duck hunting this morning. We got Brady and Ethan. Finna get on the boat, go to a good blind, and see what happens today. I gotta be in South Haven at 10. Gotta drop this trailer off. Yeah, gotta drop that trailer off. There he and them right there. Getting the boat ready. 5:20. About 40 minutes left. Get in there, set up the camera. If I limit out this morning, I'll start videoing some more. I'll just set up the camera and see what happens. And I got the. Said what? All right. Yeah. No, Coco. Solo right there.
Fly right over. Oh, we're definitely getting it.
God almighty.
Southern shot.
Oh boy.
Come on, place.
Yes, sir.
Here. Here. This big root's doing. We're in the decoys. Don't take it. Kill him. That's a Drake. We'll shoot that Drake if he comes.
over y'all shoulder.
Is there a dog on the end down there too?
To the left, cut up to
Come in. We're gonna kill these.
Yeah, he's. Where's he at though? Oh, there he is. All right, boys, it's day 2. We got Will with us. He just went inside the gas station at Raceway. I'm gonna get a little bit more gas. I think that's Ethan and them right there. Yep, that's them on the Argo right there, boys. Yep, that's them on the Argo, boys. They're rolling in. Didn't get much video yesterday because got on that boat and it was hard to keep everything dry. We'll be a lot better this morning. We'll see what happens. We're setting up at a panel blind. We're gonna be hunting in the for some wood ducks and stuff this morning. So let's get after it. This son not even awake. He's got that white monster. Boys ready to leave. Y'all ready to leave? Eh? Y'all boys ready? Boys and girls ready? Goose? Goose and Coco? Huh? Y'all ready? They out there at the blind, setting up right now. Or they're setting up the blind right now. Come back and get us. And we'll blow this popsicle stand.
It's about time.
It's about time, man. It's high noon.
Look at that shit.
Did you shoot like this?
Yeah.
We got a few minutes.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna check.
Oh my God! They just landed the decoy. Shh! Everybody shut up. Everybody shh. Dude, what the hell?
Dude, this might be a barrel burner. It's very possible. This will be the best one yet.
Yeah.
Get ready. Here come in. Get ready. That's big though. Let him work.
Yeah, about 50. No, about 30.
I see. Well, I can't see them from plain eye, but I see what we got.
They're about 200 yards farther.
Hey, jump in there. They going yonder?
No, they're coming in.
You got one on the left.
Yeah, so let's do that.
Yeah, if he comes in. It's a big dog. It's 10 or something.
He's cooked.
He's going the other way.
No, he's.
Alex. Don't move. Oh, we gotta get in. Y'all sit down. Dude, they're gonna load up over here when we get them up. Getting hot.
We can get the duck set.
Come on, dude. Oh my God, dude. We could have blasted those.
Yeah.
Little steep, baby.
You could see the black on the
Yeah, you
wings.
guys-
That solo's gonna fly right over us, Brady.
Oh, that's ducks.
That's insane. It's so many ducks they fly like this. It's
Mainly your
insane.
goal is like 8 shit.
Dude, y'all shoot at them.
See it. See it.
Y'all can shoot them.
Big ass pig.
Yeah, they didn't see us yet. All right, you be still, E. E. Shh.
They're coming.
Yeah.
If they can't see us, we're there. No, they're not seeing us. Get that one right.
Yeah, he's hit.
Yeah, they are.
They might have. They twist real quick. They go not.
Pintails.
Yeah.
They may do it, bro. Why don't they see your ass with it?
Yeah, I ain't got nothing on.
Get my gun. Get my gun.
Coco.
He's dead.
No, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Dang.
Bryce, let's see what they are.
Shoot this one in the front. We can hit him. He's going down. Me? Me and E were busting his ass. I bet E shot that one with his big ass. Right here, I got some shells.
You gonna get them?
Y'all better take y'all's shot.
There was 3 in the decoys. Huh? There was 3 in the
There's
decoys.
3 right in our face.
Huh? See.
Hell yeah.
Send it, Will.
Yeah.
Get his ass, Coco. Coco.
Uh-oh. He's damn big old Snowy.
Looks lame in there. Do look at all these ducks. I think this my side's the problem, Will. I think they're seeing this. I'm gonna find me a big ass tree and lay up against it or something here.
All right.
You got shells. Good shot, Will. I missed the whole fucking I
Again.
missed.
There, bird.
He was a banker down in Georgia, wore a tie every day, but the city of life got heavy.